In today's video, we're going to be working on dividing rational numbers. On number 1 through 4, we're going to write the multiplicative inverse of each number. Okay. What that means is we're going to do the reciprocal. In other words, we're just going to flip the numbers around. So we're going to flip the 5 to 4, and we're going to do the 4 to a 5. Okay. So it's going to be, so your answer is going to be 5 over 4. Okay. And so on for number 2. Do the same thing, have a negative. We'll do just flip 5 to your numerator and 7 to your denominator. So it'll be 5 over 7 for your answer. And for number 3, you're going to go ahead and multiply this, and then add here, multiply this, and then add here, and turn it and write it as an improper fraction. If you need to review on that, just go back and go ahead and look at my other video on multiplying mixed numbers. I'll put the link in the description, so that way you can go ahead and click on it, and if you need to review on how to do 3 and 4. So if you do 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So you have 17 over 5. After that, we flip it. So your answer is going to be 5 over 17. Okay. For number 4, go ahead and try to do it. You can go ahead and do it, pause the video, and then go ahead and put play and see if you got the same answer as I did. So 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Don't forget to put your negative sign, and you have 3. Then you're going to go ahead and flip it to negative 22, to negative 3 over 22. So your answer is going to be negative 3 over 22. In this problem, we're just going to have to divide 1/2 divided by 1/4, and we're going to simplify as much as we can. So we're going to go start with 1/2. The way you divide fractions is you leave this the same, so we're going to leave this as 1/2. Then we change the division to multiplication. Then for the 1/4, we're going to do the reciprocal multiplicative inverse, or like we said, we just flip these two numbers. So the 4 goes on top and the 1 goes in the bottom. And you know right away, if you saw my other videos, or if you need help, you can go ahead and see your multiplying mixed numbers. I always like to simplify here if you can. So I go ahead and simplify right away because I know I can simplify these two numbers here. And these two numbers you need to find the greatest common factor. And we have 2. So 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. So we multiply. 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 1 is 1. We know right away, then we can go ahead and put that as 2. Okay, so we'll go on to number 6. We do the same thing. We leave this one the same, doesn't change. We have 2/3. We change the division to multiplication, and we do just flip these numbers, and we have 6 over 10 equals. Okay. Right away I see, oh, I can go ahead and simplify right away, so I'm going to go ahead and simplify. 3, 6, and 2, and 10. So I know 3 goes into 3 one time. I know 3 goes into 6 2 times. And I know 2 goes into 2 one time. And then I know that 2 goes into 10 5 times. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply. So it's 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 5 is 5. Okay. So for number 7, we're going to go ahead and write it as an improper fraction. So remember, we go ahead and multiply this, then we add it, multiply this, and then we go ahead and add it. So this one we have 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. That's 7 over 6. We turn the division to multiplication. Then we do 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead, now that I did that, I'm going to go ahead and just leave this the same. But remember, when we're dividing, we have to flip our numbers. So I want to go ahead and flip that to 4 over 11. And I know right away that I can go ahead and simplify these two numbers here. And I know that 2 goes on both of them, so I know 2 goes into 4 2 times. And I know 2 goes into 6 3 times. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply now. 7 times 2 is 14. And 3 times 11 is 33. And now I'm going to see if I can simplify. If I can simplify, we just leave it as 14 over 33.